Since 1981, Molding Solutions Inc., a plastic injection molding company, has grown to be one of the largest high-quality injection molding facilities in upstate New York, with an industry-wide reputation for delivering high-quality, American-made products at globally competitive prices, with its impressive domestic resin and mold supplier network. Today, MSI has 105 state-of-the-art machines, including presses ranging from 30 to 550 tons, with a highly trained and experienced staff that can produce molding parts in virtually all commercially available resins, both commodity and engineering grades. 3D printing, fixture assembling, and polymerizing unique SLA molds for rapid turnarounds. Molding Solutions is the expert when it comes to cost-effectively producing molded components, used in a wide array of industrial and consumer markets, from fiber optics to medical, and from instrument housings to precision overmolded automotive materials. Globally, being at the highest level of quality, customer service, and on-time delivery, MSI holds an ISO certification. Highly regarded companies worldwide depend on MSI as the leader for injection molded components.